Welcome to one of the most breathtaking adventures in the world, the Annapurna Circuit in Nepal. This remarkable journey takes you beyond the well-trodden paths to discover hidden lakes, each with its own unique beauty and allure. Nestled in the heart of the majestic Himalayas, the Annapurna Circuit is famous for its incredible landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and rich cultural experiences. But hidden within these mountains lie serene lakes, tucked away from the hustle and bustle of trekkers. Before we embark on this adventure, let's prepare ourselves for the journey ahead. Essential gear includes sturdy hiking boots, warm clothing, a reliable backpack, and of course, a camera to capture the stunning scenery. The trek officially begins in Bashishahar, where the lush greenery greets us as we descend into the Marsiangdi Valley. This section of the trek is filled with charming villages, terraced fields, and the majestic backdrop of Annapurna II. Along the way, we encounter vibrant local cultures, traditional villages, and the warm hospitality of the Gurung and Thakali people. Each interaction offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of life in the mountains. As we venture further, the towering peaks of Annapurna come into view, guiding us toward our first hidden gem, Burkuti Lake. Located just above Manong village, this serene glacial lake reflects the stunning landscape around it. A perfect stop for a lunch break, Burkuti Lake is a tranquil oasis. Imagine having your meal here. With snow-capped mountains framing the lake, it feels like a scene from a dream. From Manong, the trail leads us to the pristine Kangsar Lake. Hidden from the main trail, it requires a bit of effort to reach, but the reward is worth it. A peaceful atmosphere, natural beauty, and a chance to connect with the turquoise waters. Kangsar Lake is not just a visual delight. It's steeped in local legend. Locals believe that the lake is a sacred site, home to spirits and deities. Many trekkers find themselves captivated by its hidden charm. Our next destination is the awe-inspiring Tilicho Lake, one of the highest lakes in the world. The trek to Tilicho Base Camp presents challenges, but every step brings us closer to one of the most stunning vistas on the circuit. The site of Tilicho Lake is nothing short of spectacular. Surrounded by towering peaks and shimmering blue waters, this hidden lake provides a sense of solitude and wonder you simply won't find anywhere else. Standing at the shore, it's easy to feel a profound connection to nature. Many visitors take a moment to reflect, capturing the essence of their journey amid this untouched beauty. After Tilicho, we continue our trek toward the iconic Thorong La Pass, the highest point of the Annapurna Circuit. It's a challenging ascent, but as you stand at 5,416 meters, the panoramic views are nothing short of extraordinary. From the top, the breathtaking vistas extend into the horizon. It's a culmination of our hard work, determination, and love for adventure. As we conclude our Annapurna Circuit adventure, the hidden lakes of Nepal have offered us moments of peace, beauty, and connection. Each lake, a treasure waiting to be discovered, has left its mark on our hearts. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay curious, and explore the hidden gems of our beautiful planet.